So we'll start with this dirty ass cat. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yep. Yep. That's what's going on with that. All right. So, garden tour. This corner's fun. These sunflowers are big. Maybe 12 feet. But it's just kind of a fun corner. Oh, Sadie's. Oh, what's. Oh. Nothing? All right. False alarm. Thought I had something that wasn't nothing. So this lavender is doing really well. It's a very pretty color. It smells amazing. These cucumbers are doing okay. Some of the plants got completely chowed on, but these look all right, and I do not see any beetles. This one did have beetles, so I've done different things and nothing has really worked. So I guess some plants will just be sacrificial. But the herbs are doing well. Scallions are doing well. Herbs, mint, more sunflowers. One of the cucumbers that did not do well. And then let's see, I'll come through like this. Ay. Okay. So this one is funny. I just tied up recently, and you can see. Can you see where that purple tie is? That's where it was when I tied it up, and it's already grown that much above there. It's grown like 6 inches in days. That's just nuts. This plant's probably 10 feet tall, maybe taller than that. It's nuts. Like, you plant a seed in dirt. When did I start these? In March, in the basement. And then when you put them in the pots, it seems so unreal that you're putting this little baby stick in these huge ass pots. But then look, it's huge. This one does not look great, but sometimes they come back. Sometimes they come back. This one's doing all right. I have been pulling off tomatoes already. I've probably gotten, I don't know, like 30 or so. Once they usually hit, I don't know if you can tell, like the bottom of it's kind of getting a little warm, and then I'll take it off then, because then the plant can concentrate on more growth, not like ripening what's there, because it does ripen inside. It does. These are interesting shaped. They're like, I don't know what they are, like oblong kind of, like apple shaped. I don't know what type they are. A different person would keep better notes when they're doing their seeds, but I kind of just put like tomato, pepper, I'm very general. I think maybe I'll start doing better notes soon. Oh, and there's a cat. Oh, but the onions look good. The onions look good. I don't know when to, can we see these? We're in the light. I don't know, they're tall, up to my chin. I don't know when to pull them, so I'll have to look that up. One calendula. It's interesting, like some of these plants have that kind of failure to thrive thing. Like this pepper was planted with everybody else, and it has like one little thing going on. So the peppers are at the other side. They're at the other side. I pulled out these greens. Why does the camera default to small? I pulled out the greens and started some new seeds to have a fall crop of greens. And so far, I think that chard was already there. I don't remember what those, that might be dill. I don't remember. It's funny because I ran out of labels. I didn't have any clean ones. And so I was like, I'll figure it out when they grow. The other things I labeled. I bet they're doing all right. They're doing all right. All right. And the cat is gone. She's like, this is excellent. It's dusk, and I'm out. Yeah, so this onion's doing okay. Calendula, morning glory. I just pulled a bunch of the calendula flowers and I'm drying them. I tell you what though, zucchini is a trip. Like you come out and there's, where is it? Like there's that whole zucchini happened today, which is nuts, but it did. And then there's, I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, that one, there's one beneath it. It's crazy. And I read that you can take, you can lose your shoe. I read that you can, when the zucchini get like too big, too fast, you know, like when they grow like a foot in a day or something. There's a couple more down here. You can like chunk it up and dehydrate it, and then I guess mill is what it's called, mill it, turn it into a flour, and then you can sub like half the flour recipes with zucchini flour. And I was like, oh, I will try that because I've been making a lot of zucchini muffins, and I use chickpea flour and like almond flour, but it'd be fun to use zucchini flour. So here's a cucumber. I think these are the green apple cucumbers. That's what they look like. That's what they look like. These don't have any growing yet, so I don't know. Oh, but here's an interesting thing. So this guy got his head bit off. You can see like right there, got his head bit off. But then a new one grew up. I was like, oh, fun. Yeah, the morning glories just cling to everything. Cosmos. I did harvest most of the potatoes, and I saved these two to maybe do film it while I'm doing it, but haven't figured out how to do the camera yet. That dirty ass cat. But I got maybe I don't know, a crate. That much. They'd fill this little bin right here if I put them all in a bin, but they're in the basement curing. She's like, I'm on to something. Oh, and here's something interesting. I never noticed that one of the sunflowers is growing out of like the drain. The drain, like that's a drain hole at the bottom, and one of the sunflowers grow out of the drain hole. I didn't notice that until just today, which is funny. So we are at the end of sunflower season, and they're being eaten by everybody. But yeah, that's kind of fun, growing out of a drain hole. Sadie, you're not very entertaining tonight. She's got cat shit to do. She don't have time for these videos. These sunflowers have been felled, but they're still pretty. I like this one. That's a pretty color. And this one's a pretty color too. But they're down. They are down. And someone's getting a late night snack. Let's see. Someone's on the night shift. Oops, sorry. Oh, here she comes. Out of focus and everything. Yeah, so there's one lemon cucumber here. Here are these purple peppers. This is what was labeled mystery pepper. I am too close. Too close. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, so there's, maybe 10 on the thing, and they're a really pretty color. And for some reason, that nursery rhyme, Peter Piper picked a peck of, I thought it was purple peppers, or maybe it's pickled peppers, I have no idea. But I looked up how big a peck is, and a peck is a fucking lot of peppers, so I'm not gonna have a peck of peppers, but I'll have some. And I'll be able to make that fermented jalapeno sauce, which is good. This is a habanero. That's gonna be a hot one. That's gonna be a hot one too. Yeah, I don't know why there's like one pepper per, I guess there's a couple at the top here. Yeah, but like the other pepper on the other side by the tomatoes, it's stunted. Like this one is small. And the cucumber that got chowed on, chowed down to the nub. These cucumbers are doing all right, I guess. This is going to be, I think, an orange pepper, like a sweet bell pepper, but orange. This one too. And then these are red peppers, I think. There's a bunch. So it's like 6. And one of them is actually really big. This one's like, yeah. And a lemon cucumber. And the mints and the lemon balm and the spilanthes. This is called the toothache plant. So if you chew on it, it goes numb. Your mouth goes numb where it's touching. So I was going to make like a salve out of it. A salve, but we'll see. Mint, some kind of cat something or other. La fleurs. And I guess that's it. And we'll end with a bit of orange and a dirty ass cat. Do you have anything? Why are you turning away from the camera? Don't you want to say anything? Hi, no? She's like, you know what? I'm not feeling it today. I get it. I'm not feeling it either. Some days we just aren't feeling it. I get it. Adios, muchacho.